Hey guys, in this lecture we will set up local name resolution in our lab. Name resolution is a way of mapping an IP address to a friendly name. You do this on your mobiles when you store a contact. You can recall that contact by their name. You do not have to remember its phone number. Imagine how hard would it be if you had to remember all the phone numbers for all your friends. Similarly, it is very hard to remember all the IP addresses in a network environment. Therefore, we use name resolution to map friendly names to IP addresses. Now, local name resolution is a technique where you configure the host file on your system to map names to IP addresses. So let's head back to the Ansible master server to do this. Now in the master server, we can open up the terminal. And once inside the terminal, what I want you to do is type in sudo nano /etc/hosts. Now if you do not have nano installed, you can type in sudo apt install nano, and this will install nano on your system. You can use any other text editor like vi or vim, etc. It's really up to you. So sudo nano /etc/hosts and hit enter and type in the password for your user. Now in the host file under IPv4 settings, first let's change the localhost to master.testlab.com, and then we need to type in each of the IP addresses for the remote machines. So 56.10, and then type in their names. So 56.10 is the prod server. So let's type that in, prod.testlab.com, and then type in the next IP address for dev. And that should be it. We can now hit Ctrl X and save the file. And now let's try and ping the other servers through their friendly names rather than their IP addresses. So prod.testlab.com, and we've got a response. And let's try dev.testlab.com as well. And as you can see, this way we can set up local name resolution on our virtual machines. With this, we've come to the end of this lecture. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.